How to split screen in CapCut. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open the CapCut application in your PC. Once you open the application, you want to go ahead and import two clips. Once the clip has been imported, you want to go ahead and drag the first clip in your timeline and drag the second clip right above it. And just like so, you want to go ahead and adjust their length. Once you do that, you want to go ahead and simply click on the first one, and from here inside basic, you want to go ahead and simply decrease the opacity. Once you do that, drag it to your right, and once you see this kind of interface, you want to go ahead and increase the opacity again. Now keep selecting the first clip, and inside video, under marks, you want to go ahead and tap on horizontal. Just like so, you'll see a rotation icon right over here, and you can then be able to rotate as per you need. And that's simply how you can split screen in CapCut. That's how you do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.